Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a house plan which dimensions are 28 by 62 feet. Width is 28 feet and its length is 62 feet. Guys, you can see this is ground floor plan and the second one is first floor plan. So if you need house planning, structure design, 3D animation, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, so you can get a best house planning from my side, but this is paid services, not for free. Guys, so here this is ground floor plan and this is first floor plan, and here on the ground floor, first of all I will write its dimensions. Width is 28 feet and its length is 62 feet. Okay, so guys, this is roadside, this one, and here guys you can see this is main gate. Guys, you can see the column for main gate. This is a driveway to this car porch, and here guys this is its front lawn, which width is 10 feet. Width is 10 feet. Okay, so size of the car porch is guys 11 feet 3 inch by 14 feet and 7.5 inches. Okay, length is 14 feet 7.5 inch and its width is 11 feet and 3 inches. So guys, back side is open, okay, which width is 10 feet, right? And this side space is 5 feet. Guys, you can see this is 5 feet. So here on this main entrance, guys, you can see here this is the first one is drawing room, and size of the drawing room is 12 feet 1.5 inch by 15 feet. Okay, 12 feet 1.5 inch by 15 feet. Guys, you can see this is the window to this front lawn side. Next, guys, you can see here with this this is the especially for this. Okay, so you can use this also as a washroom, okay, or as a toilet. You can use this one, okay, and this is its ventilation, which size is 4 by 5 feet for this drawing room. And this drawing room also, guys, you can see this is the dining room. Size of the dining room is 10 feet by 12 feet and 4 inches, 4.5 inches. Okay, and here and this main entrance, guys, this is the TV lounge. Size of the TV lounge is 12 feet 9 inch by 21 feet 1.5 inches. Length is 21 feet 1.5 inch and its width is 12 feet and 9 inches. Guys, you can see this is the window, right? So guys, you can see this is the stair hall. Size of the stair hall is 7 feet by 12 feet. Width is 7 feet. This is, guys, 7 feet. Okay, and this is 12 feet. So now you can go to the first floor on this side. Okay, as you can see, this is first floor, guys. So guys, on the first floor, on the ground floor, we have the first bedroom, which size is 14 feet by 18 feet. Length is 18 feet, width is 14 feet. And here, guys, you can see this is the wardrobe. Okay, so here this is the bath for this bedroom. Size of the bath is 6 feet 4.5 inch by 7 feet. So guys, you can see this is shower place, water closet, okay, basin, and this is its ventilation or small window. Next, guys, you can see this is the window to this side. Okay, and next with this bedroom, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 9 feet 1.5 inch by 10 feet 7.5 inches. Also, guys, you can see here this is the other door to this open sky, this open side, which is 5 feet, and to the back side, guys, you can see this is laundry. Size of the laundry is 5 feet by 5 feet. Okay, and also, guys, you can see this also you can use it for the other purposes. Okay, also this point. And here, guys, you can see the window, cross window is here for this kitchen. Size of the kitchen is normal. Bedroom is a large bedroom, 14 by 18 feet. Everything is okay on the ground floor. Now, guys, come to the next, which is first floor plan. So, guys, here you can see here we have here, guys, 2 bedrooms more. Here, guys, you can see 11 feet by 18 feet. This is the bedroom on the first floor. This is the window. Next guys, you can see here, you can see clearly from this side, okay, you can see the terrace on this point, and next with terrace you can use the normal toilet, okay, common toilet especially, which size is 3 feet 10.5 inch by 4 feet. Okay, so this is the servant room, which is 7 feet 6 inch by 9 feet and 3 inches. And also here guys, you can see this is the terrace. Okay, next guys, you can see here, this is the bath. Size of the bath is 11 feet 9 inch by 6 feet, and this is the window for this bath. And guys, you can see this is the store. Size of the store is 11 feet 9 inch by 5 feet. Okay, and this is the other bedroom. So this is on the first floor. This is first bedroom, this is second bedroom. Okay, when you, so this is down for the staircase. Okay, so guys, you can see here, this is the next bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 11 feet 9 inch by 14 feet and 9 inches. Okay, here guys, you can see this is its dress. This is bath. Size of the bath is 6 by 6 feet, and here you can see the small window for this bath. Next guys, you can see this is the lounge on the first floor, which size is 11 feet by 13 feet and 9 inches. And here you can see clearly guys, this is terrace. Okay, so this is low roof, which is this one. Okay, this is terrace. Also you can see guys the design, chhajjar design on this terrace. So guys, this is a short video in which I have discussed the house planning, luxury house planning, in the dimensions of 22 feet by 62 feet. So guys, if you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number on paid services. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.